It's a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal in the legal corridors. Delhi High Court has decided for now denied the urgent hearing of listing of Arvind Kejriwal's plea. The Delhi Chief Minister basically wanted to challenge the arrest and the custody in the Delhi liquor policy case. An urgent mentioning was made by his counsel for the listing, but the matter has now been listed on Wednesday, also because this appears to be an extended, remember, holiday vacation. Amid this, Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that its Delhi office has been sealed by the central government. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj has said party will take this to the Election Commission as the party headquarters has been sealed days before election. Condemning the Delhi Chief Minister's arrest, who is also Aam Aadmi Party's national convener, Atishi has said, who's the minister currently in the government, that Kejriwal's arrest is solely based on a statement of one of the accused, Sarath Reddy. Delhi minister is alleging that Reddy's company paid 4.5 crore rupees to the BJP via electoral bonds after his arrest. Taking to social media, Hemant Soren's wife has also condemned Kejriwal's arrest, saying entire Jharkhand stands with Kejriwal. Remember, Hemant Soren was also arrested after he had resigned as the chief minister. Sunita Kejriwal, meanwhile, the wife of the Delhi chief minister, met her husband at the ED office on Saturday.
जो असलियत है वो सामने देश के ना आ पाए कि किस प्रकार से सरगने ने 2% से 12% कमीशन की, ब्लैक लिस्टेड कंपनीज को मुनाफा कमाया, किस प्रकार से होलसेल प्राइवेट सेक्टर को दे दिया और शराब घोटालेबाजों को कोविड के कालखंड में मुनाफा कमा के दिया ताकि अपनी जेबें भर सके और गोवा, पंजाब और गुजरात के चुनाव में उसका इस्तेमाल किया जा सके। और अब जब चोरी पकड़ी गई तो चोर मचाए शोर।
मोदी से नहीं जुड़े वो लोग जेल चले गए, क्योंकि वो लोग इसलिए नहीं जुड़े क्योंकि वो लोग कुछ गलत नहीं किया। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास अभी कुछ है नहीं, इसके नीचे जमीन नहीं है, खिसक गया है, इसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है, ये भुतरा गया है।
Let me now bring in India Today's Ashutosh, who's tracking all the latest coming in on the Aam Aadmi Party. Ashutosh, good morning. What are you expecting now in this case? He's been under custody now for till 28th of March. What are the options that the Aam Aadmi Party has? One, on the streets and then via legally as well. And plus also tell me, is there any clarity? Is the office really been sealed of the Aam Aadmi Party, Ashutosh?
Well, first, Pooja, as far as the legal aspect are concerned, he had approached High Court yesterday, but there is a legal jolt actually when High Court denied immediate hearing on that.
Correct.
So probably when the court reopens after the holy vacation, then only will be there be hearing on Arvind Kejriwal's bail. As far as seizing of office is concerned, yesterday there have been massive protests by the Aam Aadmi Party and police barricaded the entire stretch. So quite for a time, the entire DDU marg was literally sealed. However, the Delhi police did issue a statement that we haven't sealed an office, but because of the section 144 imposed in the area, certain restrictions were there. This morning, the office and the entire DDU marg is now open. However, the Delhi minister, Atishi, did write to Election Commission seeking urgent time on that. As far as the other options for the Aam Aadmi Party are concerned, they have decided not to be on back foot. And indeed, you see for last couple of days, they have been on street and very strategically, you heard Sunita Kejriwal, a former IRS officer and wife of a Delhi chief minister, issued a statement, and the statement wasn't from Sunita Kejriwal, but it was by her, and the statement that she read was Arvind Kejriwal's statement. And that gives you a glimpse of further strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party. Today there will be going to be effigy burning of the Prime Minister and the BJP, and clearly they are also cornering the BJP. Then in excise case, so-called the alleged scam, there are no direct money trail about these companies donating to the Aam Aadmi Party. Rather, this is the accusation leveled by the ED, whereas the electoral bond data proves that indeed the Aurobindo Pharmaceuticals owner Sharath Reddy, who was a prime accused in the excise scam, indeed paid a certain amount of fund to the BJP, and that's approved in the electoral bond. So they have got another ammunition to target even the BJP. Subsequently, today there will be effigy burning. On 26th of March, they will be heroing Prime Minister's office.
What happens, Ashutosh, to the government in Delhi? Because when Delhi Chief Minister, his right hand Manish Sisodia, Satyendra Jain, also a close aide Sanjay Singh, all of them have been behind bars and could be a long haul for Arvind Kejriwal. Who do you think will take reins of the Delhi government now?
Well, that's a very important question, and probably all the viewers will be really interesting and keen to see and know what would happen to the governance in Delhi. Remember, it's a model of code of conduct. Even while having in the state government, they cannot take any policy decisions. So at least till June first week, there is nothing that as far as Delhi government need to do in terms of taking major policy decisions. Whereas, remember, Satyendra Jain was in jail. Even in the judicial custody, he was a minister. So there are no law that prevents a chief minister to be in jail and have to resign because a chief minister in the council is exactly the minister in the council who's first in the ranking. If you see Senthil Balaji's case, he was also in the judicial custody,
Correct.
but he was a minister. So there is no major difference between a minister and a chief minister. A chief minister exactly is first amongst the minister in the ranking. But there are no such law that prevents him. However, this is national capital, union territory. You never know, as this is always said, jiski lathi uski bhais.
Interesting.
But for the coming days,
very
as long
important
as
point,
he is not
Ashutosh. Very
removed
important point you are
forcefully,
making. I want to
you know,
thank
we
you for
will
now,
continue to
and Ashutosh will be tracking all the latest.